It's a miracle I rode for as long as I did with the drivetrain in that condition. I don't even know how that worked. That was the most awkward interaction of my life. It probably won't even make it into the vlog. You think I can do it?
No.
My ears!
You got problems.
Yo, what's up guys? Chris here, coming at you with a special video about what not specifically to do or let happen to your Ultra Bee, or just any bike in general when we're talking about maintenance that could prevent bad things from happening to your bike, because I did a bad thing to my bike. So what did I do or not do that was so bad for this bike? For the last, pretty much this whole spring season, my bike's been making a weird noise. And I thought, well, maybe it's just my chain. Maybe my jack shaft bearings are going out or whatever. I got a new chain and it was actually coincidentally got better after that. So I was like, oh, maybe it was something with my chain. And then it would start happening again and I'd lube my chain. And then I think it might have gone away, but clearly that wasn't the case. So there is a pulley right here that comes off the motor that the belt engages with and comes back here to the pulley for the jack shaft. That pulley has a keyway in it where a little thing sticks in and engages it with the shaft of the motor. The shaft on this motor must have been loose at some point because the belt was tight. I couldn't really tell because I remember checking that and I was like, oh, it seems fine. But once you take the belt off, I realized that the pulley was able to move like this much on the shaft. Well, that's not good. That keyway had literally completely snapped. And that explains all the popping and creaking and stuff that this thing would make sometimes. It's a miracle I rode for as long as I did with the drivetrain in that condition. I don't even know how that worked. Moral of the story is, make sure you guys check that is tight. And then you'll never have that problem. That probably just got loose and just started, vibrating a little bit and eating away at that metal. And just eventually, after months of riding that way, here we are. It is still broken. I tried to salvage it. My dad and I actually welded where it was all broken out shut, filled it in, ground it smooth. It is absolutely not perfect. It still has a little bit of play. Way better off than I was not fixed. I have, however, ordered a motor. Once the new motor comes, I'm going to slap that in and this thing will be dialed. So yeah, that's the story of just do your maintenance on your bikes. Not that I don't, not that I didn't, but that was something I neglected and missed, and it cost me like $1,000. If your bike's making a weird noise, something's probably wrong, and you should probably just not keep riding it like I did. Mustard!
Mustard!
Grom acting bad, but somebody got to do it. Got his foot up on the brake so he doesn't go and loop it. Turn his kill switch off. Turn his kill switch off. A pack now.
You got problems. Bro, what is your problem, bro? He's too amped up right now. Bro, sit down. Sit still.
He's excited to be out.
Is wired right now. SJ's filthy. Alright, you're burning it down. I see you. I see you back there. Yeah, we out here for sure.
My ears. What's that? Oh, really? That's awesome. Thank you. Yeah. I can't hear you.
Got killed.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Oh gosh, that's horrible. That was the most awkward interaction of my life. It probably won't even make it into the vlog. I feel so bad. I can't hear as it is. Too, my cardo was on like half blast. When I just feel bad, you know, but God bless it, man. I can't hear anything. That is super sad though, man. People die on bikes. It's a sad truth, and the other sad truth is a lot of the time it's absolutely preventable. Yeah, it just sucks, man. I don't know. Cars need to see bikes. Bikes need to ride like cars don't see them, and I don't know, I feel like we'd have less fatalities, but what do I know, right? I'm just a guy. Sorry, lady, that I said that was cool that your son-in-law got killed on a motorcycle. That's not what I thought you said. So, my bad. If you didn't know, I'm Mr. Awkward himself, king of awkward. If something's not awkward, I'll find a way to make it awkward. Believe you me.
This four-wheeler kid's really trying to go to jail today. Look, title of your video, four-wheeler kid goes to jail.
I'm not above it. I'd rather him not, though.
They're out, boy.
Yeah, they are out.
They are out.
Not giving much of a f***, though.
You don't know that yet. Just wait. Like,
True.
I just want a wheelie.
We're dragging him on some Grom shit. He's like, oh, guys.
Whoa.
That man heard him scrape and was like, what?
Hi, dude.
That was about a three-way pile-up, brother.
You almost got me.
Yeah.
That was an unexpected ass coaster from. No.
It was. You gonna burn your clutch up.
You don't even know what a clutch is, kid.
That was really rude. So scale of 1 to 10, how gay exactly was my dancing video?
Send your body to flight. Everybody got a target tonight.
It was. I'm gonna be straight up and honest with you because I would like you to be straight up and honest with me.
Yeah.
It was 10 out of 10 gay.
I was seeing if it would stick, man.
You could have done it just a little less gay.
Wants to go that way, apparently. I'm hitting this jump real quick, though. Yeah, boy. We out here tonight. We got the Harley. We got the four-wheeler. The Groms.
Did you see something?
I didn't.
That's exactly what it was. It was the mic.
You dropped it?
Yeah.
Drop the mic. I don't know if we gonna find that.
Yeah, I don't know that it actually fell out of.
I didn't see it. I wish I would have saw it, but I have no clue. We might just have to call that a loss. Huh? Really?
What? What did he say?
I know where it went.
He saw it. Yeah. Yep. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. MVP.
I thought it was a rock.
Oh my God, bro. Give me a fist bump, man. Hell yeah.
I just gotta find somewhere to piss, bro.
Anywhere behind that dumpster, on that Toyota.
I'm gonna go right down this road down here.
All right. Turn your camera off.
No.
I don't want to see your dude.
You're gonna see it.
No. And I'm going to forget, too. It's going to be like a week before I look at this footage and I'm going to see your...
Yeah, you're about to see my nuts and everything.
God damn it.
1 week later.
Look at this guy wheeling. I'm gonna call the police on you.
Don't do
And
that.
whatever you do, don't wheelie on my truck.
Wheeling on my truck.
This is right up the alley.
He's right at home.
Yeah, I know.
This is where that thing belongs.
No, on the streets.
You think I can do it?
No.
Oh, I definitely can. See?
Yeah, you look like you're very capable of doing that.
No, I am. You just wait. What you know about that? Gonna get it up?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it up. I just need one spot of traction. That's all.
One tiny little patch. There you go.
Nah, I threw it.
You had it. There you go. There you go. Ow! I got too much power.
Wow.
Ah! I got it up, and now it's not. Arriba!
If I get hit by one of those big ass rocks, I'm gonna be upset.
You gotta get roosted every now and then, brother. Oh,
No,
as he does donuts.
Oh boy. Them rocks are too big for a Grom.
Yeah, I don't think it's ideal for you for sure. He did the stare and drive on you, didn't he?
Huh?
He got that from me.
What?
Fast and Furious. Please tell me you know that line.
What are you talking about?
Fast and Furious, bro. Too Fast, Too Furious specifically.
I've never heard that. I mean, I've watched every Fast and Furious, but I don't remember clips like that.
Come on! It's where
Paul Walker has Eva Mendes in his car, and he's like, what, you don't trust me, or are you afraid we're gonna crash? And she's like, I don't know, I haven't decided yet. And then he stares at her in the passenger seat, and then Rome pulls up and he's like, he did the stare and drive on you, didn't he?
that's like a core memory for me.
I've seen that, but I don't remember.
Comment below if you at least know what I'm talking about, please.
Can I give you one throttle?
Yeah.
All right, come
Oh
with
yeah,
me.
keep me going. Keep me going. All right, launch me.
Somehow launch me.
All right, let's do that on a wheelie now.
If I knew the throttle response to your bike, I would 100% be down. A Grom, I have no issue, but that's so torquey, I could send your ass. Should we get mad at them?
Get mad at who?
These people, for no reason. Let's just get mad at them. They pulled out in front of us, but they had plenty of time. But let's just get mad
Yeah,
at
let's
them.
go punch their mirrors off. That's what we
like-
have to do.
Like sport bike riders do.
Yeah. Cops. Copsy cop, big cop, big cop, big cop, 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 cop.
Let's just go
To the left, to the left.
to the left, to the left.
Tandem wheelies.
God damn.
Oh, it's not good.
All right, let's drop back in 1, 2, 3.
Twin dropbacks, twinning. Arm pump is real. It's
Come on.
a thing.
No, you're good.
I mean, I ain't giving up at this point. There's no way. Don't come into me. Don't come into me.
Oh, I lost it.
Where
I
we
know
going?
I had to look. Did it look cool when we dropped back together or no?
I don't know. I mean, it was kind of cool. I feel like I was already like going kind of slow, so I didn't really have to drop back much, or else I would have slowed down a lot.
I dropped back, baby.
I seen it. I seen it. You was all the way back.
I'll go up on the sidewalk. Think I'm fine?
Yeah, do it. Oh! I feel like I got a sidewalk surf now.
Come on, I'll get up there right now. This one.
Let's both do it.
Oh!
Whoa!
That bump is sketchy, huh?
Yeah.